Evening, July 1st. We're out back here. The birds are in and out of that birdhouse there, chilling. We're working on the garden. Corn, July 1st. What do they say, knee high by the 4th of July? There's a 48-inch post right there. Some bad boys are shooting to the moon. So I just put in this post right in the middle there. We're getting a new sprinkler. This one was bad. Came with the house. It would only do half at a time. I'd have to come out. I'd have to turn it to get this half, then this half, this half. We're gonna get one that does full. I'm gonna set it up on this post here because this one barely reached. But up on that post, we should be able to blast well over. Oh my goodness, would you look at that? Those look good. Whee! That's a good looking one. Yeah, something went a little wrong on this one. Still good looking. Oh, look at that one. Yeah, these peas are just tearing it up. They're just wondering where to climb next. They don't have anything. They've bent back and forth. Corn's tearing it up. Look at this. I pulled a cucumber off this one yesterday, and this cucumber was tiny yesterday. That is the watermelon growing up in there. That is weird. Let's check out the zucchini. Nothing on the zucchini. You know, it might be getting eaten. Let me see here. There has been a mole right outside here. I wonder if he's been coming up in and eating. Look at that mole track right there. He comes straight in here. I'll be packing it down and keeps coming in. Tomatoes are starting to show. That's a good sign. Oh, look at this. This is one of those. Oh, it's gonna be like a sweet 100, or I don't know which ones we did yet, but whee, we got a lot. That'll be good. Kids love those little tiny ones. Get this fallen leaf out of here. This tomato's just kicking off. Just want to show you how the new sprinkler pole is working out. Ooh, gotta do some deadheading on here. He's really a vocal one. This one is. Same with her. Basically, this bird's just out here chewing some weeding for me. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna put him back in the coop. We're out working. It's about a little bit past noon. We just had lunch.
Daddy, have you seen this guy?
Oh yeah, that came off Bubby's shovel, I think. So we're over here. I'm using scraps. Same thing we always do. Build with scraps. And this is gonna be the run. So it's good. Alrighty, I'm trying to walk around here, but it's hard. I've got a bunch of stuff. You can kind of see there, coming together. Little door there, going around the base. And then we're gonna paint it quick. I'm gonna try to slap it with the same color as this so the frame won't stick out. It'd be just kind of all one color. So there's the back angle. And again, they're gonna have the under the coop. Then the outdoor area there. They'll have a beautiful view down the hillside to the lower pasture. It's a door big enough for the kids to go in and clean it out. I can go in and clean it out too. I'll just be hunched over in there. But we're gonna run chicken wire around all the way underneath the bottoms around, burying it. And then we're gonna chicken wire the whole thing. Well, just digging out the trench here. We're gonna bury the chicken wire kind of deep. Keep the predators out. And I'm gonna go around it with some logs and whatnot. Really just kind of fortify it. These birds are itching to get out of there and into their new run. Well, if you made it this far along, we dug it out. We put down about a foot, maybe more, chicken wire buried coming out. and then going around it with these big logs, backfilling. You know, if anything can dig into that, they deserve to have the chickens. So I'm pretty confident about it. Wrapping around. We just got the base wrapped right now, but we're gonna do this whole rooftop area too. Just net this whole thing in, so predator proof, and we'll see. We're just backfilling right now though.
Hey, chicken. Are that is those two Jennies? Are those two Jennies?
What?
Why, Baba? I mean, chicken? You don't want to go to bed? Why not? I think that's a yes.